Design thinking is a structured methodology to solve problems. And what I particularly like about combining the two, design thinking and sustainability, is sustainability can be a very vague or abstract concept. And design thinking gives you a methodology that you can apply sustainability through, so you're not just creating abstract solutions, but you're looking what do people need, and then how do we use what we have to come up with new ideas.
The course was designed as a conversion course, which means that no matter what somebody's background or previous experiences, that doing this course would give them the skill set, the toolkit and the mindset really to address some of the biggest emerging challenges around sustainability, whether it's in a small organization or a bigger multinational.
We have people that come out of university and they're not quite sure what direction they want to go, but they've always been passionate about sustainability, or they see that it's a hot topic. We have people that, mid-career decided, well, my career, I want something more from life. I want to do something more creative, more impactful, like sustainability, and they come returners, so people that have taken time off to do parenting and then they've decided to come back and they're using this to relaunch their career. And we've also had, it's just like people that they're out of work and they want to come back and reskill themselves and then re-enter the workforce.
It was really different to anything I'd experienced previously. So I'd been to college, I'd done my degree, I'd done postgrad, but none of them had this approach of putting people sitting around tables in practical situations and throwing problems at them to solve.
Sustainability problems are very complex. Some people refer to them as wicked problems, and the nice thing about the method is that you stick to it and it helps you get through these very complex problems and very abstract problems at times. People have fun, they work hard, they pour a lot of themselves into it, so it's very emotionally engaging in a very positive sense.
One of my favorite things actually about this sustainability course is the diversity of the students that have been on it over the past 2 years. So very mixed class, people with different experiences, different perspectives, different backgrounds, different knowledge. And I think the magic really happens when those people come together because you get different insights, you have different perspectives, and I think that's really key in sustainability, which is again a global problem that needs these diverse perspectives in order to bring about true change.
You can't help but learn. You can't help because you're actually asked to deliver solutions. You're working on projects, you're working on media presentations, you're mocking up packaging samples, you're growing stuff, you're investigating alternate ways of doing things.
That it's not just about it is a sustainability job, it's about how you bring that into the industry that you're working in now, and how you can adapt, how you can change things maybe how you can use the design thinking same mentality in your current role to do things differently with a sustainability mindset or an environmental lens on it.
I feel like I have the skills, confidence and just wherewithal to actually enter a working environment and feel I actually know what I'm doing and to actually have the voice to say what I truly believe.
In the Innovation Academy, we firmly believe that individuals have the potential to change the world. And what we try to do is create a learning space where somebody can come in, gain confidence, learn to work with others to bring about that positive change.
One of the key sustainability mindsets we're trying to bring to people is to prepare them for the future. And really what that means is everything is constantly changing, and that's what you're preparing. So there'll be new problems, new angles to it, new context, and so you constantly have to learn. And that's what prepares you for the future.